The CriticalAsset mobile app allows teams to walk through their building and easily drop assets on the plan in real time. This can be extremely helpful in managing expectations from the fire department before upcoming inspections. Begin with the plan you are working with. Here we have the first level fire alarm plan. Simply zoom in to the exact location that you are at in your walkthrough. Simply tap the screen, find your asset type that you would like to drop onto the plan. Give your asset a name and all relative details that the fire department is interested in. Press done, scroll down, and press save. The plan in the exact location that it is located in.